Hello mga katipid! Promo ba ang hanap mo? It's already 9 PM at hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. Pero naalala namin na may promo pala ang BDO credit card sa Pizza Hut until September 30. By the way, this is not sponsored. Kaya naman, nag-check kami ng Pizza Hut stores na malapit sa amin dahil medyo late na, most stores are already closed. Buti na lang, open ang kanilang Pedro Hill branch until 2 AM. For a minimum dine-in bill of 2,000 pesos, pwede mo nang i-avail ang 50% off promo ng Pizza Hut. Ano kayang masarap kainin? Nagulat kami kasi sobrang bilis ng kanilang serving. For our appetizer, we ordered their cream of mushroom soup. Hindi rin mawawala ang paborito nating lahat na crispy fries. Pero sa kanila, hindi crispy eh. But we like it. We also tried their loaded tater tots. Deep fried potatoes lang to guys na may bacon. For their chicken wings naman, pinili namin yung chili garlic and garlic parmesan. Dahil yun lang yung hindi pa namin natitikman eh. Pero syempre, hindi mawawala ang pizza. For the crust, we want the thin one. Dahil gusto namin yung crispy kapag kinagat. But we don't recommend their seafood supreme that much. And for our last order, mukhang masarap yung shrimp arrabbiata. But it kind of failed our expectation. It's as spicy as the chili garlic chicken wings. Pero since we had this for half the price of our total bill, hindi na kami talo. Pasok naman sa lahat yung lasa lalo na if you will eat with your family or friends. At sa lahat ng orders namin, our total bill was 2,020 pesos plus the service charge. But we only paid 1,111 pesos because of the promo. Nabusog na kami, marami pa kaming take-out for our family. Until our next food trip for a budget-friendly experience. Bye-bye guys!